Hello, children. It's me, Miss Elizabeth from the Esther Bone Library. And guess what? I miss you. So I've decided to read you some more stories. And in this video, today, I'm going to read to you a story called Sunny by Celia Krampien. What do you think is going to happen in this book? What colors do you see? Why do you think a book called Sunny has rain clouds all over the first page? Let's find out. Most people do not like rainy days. Most people would say there is nothing good about trudging to school on a rainy day while the wind crawls up your sleeves and puddles soak your boots, making your footsteps squish and squash. That is what most people would say. But not Sunny. Sunny thought this day was the perfect day to use her big yellow umbrella. And it was. Can you see the children walking to school in the picture? Which one of those children do you think is Sunny? It's this one with the big yellow umbrella. Until a big gust of wind came along. Now, most people would say that being pulled through the air by an umbrella was a bad sort of situation. But not Sunny, who felt like a bird soaring high above the little town below. Isn't she just like that bird? But soon, the town below was replaced by a stormy sea. Now, most people would agree that being blown out to sea was an awful, terrible sort of situation. But not Sunny, who liked watching the white-capped waves rolling and tumbling over one another. Then, the sea started to get a little too close. What do you think is happening that the sea's getting closer? Down, down, down she fell. Now, being trapped in a small boat and adrift on a stormy sea is what most people would call a horrible, dreadful, and ghastly sort of situation. But not Sunny, who thought she preferred boating just now to swimming. And look, the little birdie's still with her. That's when the big wave came. That's a big wave. Now, most people would say that things were looking exceedingly bleak. That being stuck on a rock in a boat surrounded by a stormy sea was probably as bad as things could get. But not Sunny, who thought things weren't that bad because at least she wasn't alone. But then, she was. Now, most people would probably cry at this point. And this time, that's exactly what Sunny did. But then, another bird. More birds. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 birds. Even more birds. Too many to count. Look, there's Sunny's friend. What are they doing with those ropes? Up, up, up she rose. She was lifted off the rock, over a less stormy sea, over the little town, and set down just where she needed to be. Now, most people would say that being late for school was a bad kind of situation. But not Sunny. She thought that this one time her teacher would understand. The end. Now, children, how about we pretend to be a rainstorm, just like the storm in the book called Sunny? Would you like to try that with me? Wiggle those fingers, get those fingers ready. Okay, raindrops, raindrops, falling all around. Pitter-patter on the rooftops. Pitter-patter on the ground. Here is my umbrella. Let me see your umbrella. It will keep me dry. When I'm walking in the rain, I hold it up so high. Good job, children. That was fun, wasn't it? All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.